Hi, Madeline. I wanted to quickly go over how to download all the surveys for faculty. So I'll give you the login credentials to log into SurveyMonkey, but you're going to click on My Surveys up here at the top. And you're going to go to the May 11th end of course survey because we're doing this after the survey has been completed by the students. You'll click on the survey, go to Analyze Results here in the top right. And then as that loads, you'll see all of the, responses here. We want to filter it by instructor though. So we're going to go to filter by question and answer, choose your current instructor. And then we can choose each of these one by one. So I'll just start with Alicia to show you. So you click on Alicia, scroll down a little bit, click on apply. It will take a minute to apply the filter. And then you'll click on Save As, Export File, All Summary Data. You can choose how you want to save it. I usually just save it as a PDF. Make sure you select Open-Ended Responses, and I just usually change the name. That way I know whose it is. So say Alicia Ryan, Term 204. And we can export that. It will take a minute for SurveyMonkey to create it, but once it has been created in SurveyMonkey, you'll get a little pop-up here in the top right. And then you'll click download, and then it will just download to your computer. To change the filter, you'll just click on these three dots here, edit rule, and change it from Alicia to the next person. So if you want to just get all of these completed and then you can send them to me and Melissa, that would be awesome.